particularly in Bengal, if infiltration is the issue, other states such as Tripura and Meghalaya share a border with Bangladesh. If you're talking of Rohingya infiltration, other states apart from Bengal share a common border with Myanmar. Why is SIR not being done there? Most important, in Assam, why is only a special revision being done and not a special intensive revision? It's because Bihar was only the trial and Bengal is the asli picture. The second point is that you keep talking about cleaning up of the electoral rolls, and the ECI says by its own admission that the previous electoral rolls are not trustworthy. If that's the case, then the entire Lok Sabha should be dissolved. Every election which has been done from 2002 till today is not valid because by your own admission the rules are not valid. This doesn't make sense. Is this an exclusion process or an inclusion process? The third point which I've touched on is what is happening now is you have imposed, again, self-imposed this completely arbitrary deadline of 30 days between 4th November and 4th December. You have picked up teachers, part-time teachers, and enlisted them as BLOs who are under tremendous pressure in rural areas to do enumeration forms. The average number of forms that they have to upload per day in my district, for example, now stands at 125 to 150. In a place where you don't have continuous Wi-Fi network, after finishing a full day's work, if a BLO is supposed to upload 125 forms onto a server which is down for 8 hours, day before yesterday, the server was down from 11 p.m. till all of yesterday. After you complete a form, they're saying, please fill it again. No technical glitches have been solved by the Election Commission, as a result of which BLOs are under tremendous pressure, and the Election Commission, unfortunately, has the blood of 17 BLOs and 30 other normal citizens on their hands.